So this course is actually it's the apprenticeships, young apprenticeships. Most lads that have a job, that come from maybe their employer or might come from the college to get a chance to work with an employer, will come here and do an apprenticeship. Apprenticeship scheme is 1 day a week and the rest is 4 days a week on site. We got a lot of people that are obviously not academics that usually come, young kids come from school to do a bit of brickwork. Some of them are better with the hand skills than they are academically. So once they do a bit of brickwork and they find that they can progress either to the apprenticeship scheme, and if they go on to the apprenticeship scheme, then they're earning big money as soon as they complete it.
The reason I'm training to be a brickie is because since a young kid I always had an interest in it and thought it was a good skill to know how to do. Best bit about the job is probably being on the trail, getting to better my skills. Best thing about my job is probably meeting new clients, because I do a lot of residential work, so meeting new clients, you know, always having a nice chat and being able to just, you know, complete work that they're happy with. It's always good to see them when they're happy, so yeah.
Well, H+H blocks are pretty good because a lot of students start off on site mainly laying blocks. They're quite light, they're quite easy to lay, and a lot of students actually enjoy laying blocks more so than bricks. You know, some people are actually better at laying blocks than laying bricks, and a lot of them would like to stay at doing block work.
My first impression was that they're nice, easy to use blocks. Like I use them quite a lot of work, so it's always, yeah, they're quite good to use. Yep, I'm pretty sure I'm using them tomorrow.